हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज की न्यूज़ एनालिसिस का टॉपिक है द वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट मास प्रोड्यूस्ड ह्यूमनॉइड रोबोट, इकोनॉमिक एंड एथिकल implications ऑफ humanoid robot. The world's first mass produced humanoid robot, the CR1, has been released by the company SoftBank Robotics. The robot is designed to be a versatile assistant for a variety of tasks, including customer service, healthcare, and manufacturing. The CR1 is a significant development in the field of robotics, and it has the potential to have a major impact on the economy and society. On the one hand, the CR1 could lead to job losses in some sectors, as robots become more capable of performing tasks that are currently done by humans. On the other hand, the CR1 could also create new jobs in the robotics industry, as well as in other sectors that are able to leverage the benefit of robotics. Major economic implications Major economic implications of the humanoid robot CR1 are complex and far reaching. On the one hand, the robot could lead to job losses in some sectors. For example, the CR1 could be used to automate tasks in customer service, such as answering questions and resolving complaints. This could lead to job losses in the customer service industry. However, the CR1 could also create new jobs in the robotics industry. The demand for robots is expected to grow in the coming years. As businesses seek to automate more tasks, this could lead to job growth in the robotics industry, as well as in other industries that are able to leverage the benefit of robotics. In addition, the CR1 could lead to productivity gains in some sectors. For example, the robot could be used to automate tasks in manufacturing, such as assembling products. This could lead to increased output and profits for businesses. Overall, the economic implications of the CR1 are uncertain as of now. The robot could lead to job losses in some sectors, but it could also create new jobs and lead to productivity gains. The new net impact of the robot on the economy will depend on a number of factors, including the rate of adoption of the robot, the demand for robots, and the ability of businesses to adapt to the use of robots. Now, if we talk about ethical implications of the CR1, it also raises a number of ethical concerns. One concern is that the robot could be used to replace human workers in some sectors. This could lead to job losses and increased inequality. Another concern is that the robot could be used to exploit workers. For example, the robot could be used to work in dangerous or unhealthy environments that would be too hazardous for humans. In addition, the CR1 could be used to violate the privacy of individuals. For example, the robot could be used to collect personal data about individuals without their consent. It is important to address these ethical concerns before the CR1 is widely adopted. Businesses and governments need to develop policies and regulations that will ensure that the robot is used in a safe and ethical manner. These are also few of the ethical implications of the CR1. Now, if we talk about potential benefits of CR1, these are increased productivity. Of course, robots will have will be used for increased productivity, improved customer services because they will maintain the consistency in customer services and standards too. Then increased safety is also one of the potential benefits of CR1. Where humans cannot be used, there the CR1 can be used. Thus, it will definitely enhance and increase the safety of humans. New opportunities for disabled people, because it will provide lot of opportunities for disabled people. So this is also one of the potential benefits of human robot, that is CR1. Now, again, as we discussed, the potential risks of CR1 are job displacement. Many jobs might many people might lose their jobs, or change they have to change their jobs, nature of their jobs. So job displacement, worker exploitation, as we already discussed, privacy violations, and social unrest. These might be the potential risks of the CR1. Then policy recommendations, if we are talking about, then we governments especially have to develop policies and regulations to address ethical concerns, because without these policies and regulations, ethical concerns would always be there. So government needs to develop policies and regulations to use CR1. Invest in education and training to help workers adapt to the changing job market, because CR1 will definitely impact job markets in a great sense. So that is why investing in education and training to help workers adapt these changes would always help. Then third one is ensure that the benefits of the CR1 are shared widely. These are not specific to one segment of the society. There is a level playing field. So that is why CR1 benefits of CR1 have to be shared widely. Now, if we talk about overall conclusion, the CR1 is a significant development with the potential to have a major impact on the economy and society. It is important to carefully consider the economic and ethical implications of the CR1 before it is widely adopted. By understanding the potential benefits and risks of the CR1, we can ensure that the robot is used in a way that benefits all of the society. Thank you.